What's up, guys? It's your boy Armsworld back with another video, and today we're gonna. Yep, so I got the salami and bread right here. We're gonna see if we could catch some minnows or some crayfish for this little guy. Maybe go in this tank. Alright, let's get right to it. So I got the crayfish trap. Now let's fill it up. Maybe break this into pieces or whatever. Yeah, whatever. I'll just toss them in. Alright, let's go toss it in. Ah, it's so muddy. Alright, got the trap. Go set it up. Planted some new trees here recently, which is a good thing. Oh man, it's been raining for a while. It's a little flooded. Alright, let's come back like in 30 minutes and see what we got. Okay, it's been like an hour later. So I'm gonna go check on it, see if we got anything. Alright, I got here. Now we just gotta check what we got. Might have not got anything, but nope. Nothing. Man, the salami's gone and stuff. Must have fallen out or something. That sucks. Well, I guess we'll check in a bit longer. So I just recently got back from the creek. I couldn't get it on cam, but I did get a little fish in the trap. So I'm about to feed the bluegill some worms, and then I'm gonna let this little guy go in. So yeah, let's get the worms. Okay, I just got 2 worms. Let's see if he'll eat them. Man, the annoying thing about this fish, he like feels that you're staring at him, and he won't eat no matter what until you go away. Just kind of annoying, but it's alright. Okay, I put all the worms in, so now I'm gonna put this little fish in. Alright, let's see what happens. Let's open this sucker. Alright, got it open. There's a little fishy, there's a little look at him. I'm not sure what type of fish it is, but yeah. Oh, it's just chilling there. buddy. It's too clear. So if you guys like this video, make sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below. And I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.